very good day to our lecturer, Madam Azlawati binti Azizan. Today we are from Group 3, for CS143. For B, we are going to present our group presentation for ITS232, Introduction to Database Management System. The topic that we have choose is Hotel Management System, and the hotel that we have choose is Lotus Dasaru Beach Resort and Spa. Let me introduce to you our group members. Our group members consist of myself, Nuri Nadira binti Hasim. We have Nur Fatini Wafika binti Muhammad Azlan, and the last but not least, Hamida Adira binti Rosli. Moving forward to the next slide, we have the problem segment. The first problem is with the current system, the data could not be stored in a systematic way to ensure the data could be found easily for future use. Because in the current system, the data store only name, phone number, and booking number only. And it will be harder for the hotel management to track all the previous data for future use. So for the second problem statement, we have the payment will not be stored if the customer choose to pay at the counter during the check-in day. If there is any miscalculation or error in the resort revenue and booking details, it will be hard for the management to detect because all the staff name is not included with the customer booking or payment. For the third problem, the system is not efficient and lack improvement. So it will slow down the hotel activities. The fourth and the last problem is when using the current system, the data is not secure enough because every day, every new data is being input in the system, but it is not secure enough with the current system.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Fatini and I will continue with database objective. So there are a few of database objectives. The first one is to make the hotel system up to date by using the proposed system. The second one, to improve efficiency of company service for customer. And then the last one is to develop a comprehensive database that can govern computers data management for its beneficiaries. Okay, like you can see on the slide, there is the ERD for this hotel management system. So there are a few of entities that we use for this hotel management system. So the first one is guest, second one is employee, and then also ticket, attraction, room, and last one is booking. So other than that, like primary key, foreign key, there is the attribute for every table. And then they also have a relationship which is buy, serve, make, has, and also need.
So moving forward to the next part of this group presentation, which is the question section. We have the simple query right here. So you write down a query to display attraction with attract age higher or same as 10 years old. You can see here the command that we have used and also the output that we get from this command. So to answer all these questions, you can see all the output, which is banana boat is suitable for 15 years old and above, floating carpet is 10 years and above, and more.
The next question asks to write a query to display all attraction name ends with ending name waterpark. So here on the slide is the command to answer the question and also the output.
The next question is about column or group function. So the first question is write a query that display the minimum and maximum price for ticket. So we have the command right here, and we get the output in different column. For min ticket price, we have 20 ringgit, the minimum price. For the max ticket price is 19 ringgit.
Other question asks to display all room number with average room price was greater or equal to Rm124.99. So here on the slide is the command to answer the question. So let me go line by line. So the first line of the command is select room number. Why room number? Because the question asks display all room number and average room price. And then next line is from room. Why from room? Because we need the data from table room. And then the next line is group by room number. And then the last one is having average room price is greater or equal 124.99. Remember the question asked at the last line of the question is was greater or equal to Rm124.99. So after that we run the command, and then here is the output for the question.
So for the question join query, we have the first question right here. List employee name and the guest ID and name he or she handle. So we want the question want us to show the output of employee name and the guest ID name he or she handle. So we are going through the command line line by line. So select EMP name, guest ID, guest name from employee E, join guest G on EMP ID is equal to G EMP ID. So we have been using the join on query and we get this output. So the employee name Aisha, she handled Najamin. And the second one is employee name Kumaran. He handled Merkin, and Siti he handled Nur Hanani and also Johnny. So this kind of output is for join on query.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Hamida Atiram Trusli. So I'm going to continue our presentation. The next question for join query is list guest name with their chosen attraction name and their ticket number. So as you guys can see, these are the common and the output for this question. So for the common, we have to select guest name, attract name, and ticket number. As you guys know, these are from 3 different tables. That's why we have to use join query. So next is from guest, attraction, and ticket, which is 3 different tables. Where guest ID equal to ticket guest ID. And attraction is attract ID equal to ticket attract ID. So these are the output that we get. So I'm gonna continue for the next question, which is subquery. For the first question of subquery is list all guest name and ticket number with ticket type, which is for adult. So these are the common and the output for this question. So for the common, we have select ticket number, ticket type, and ticket guest. As you guys can see, these are the same as join query, which we have to join 2 different tables for one command. So we have to select from ticket and guest, where ticket guest ID is the same as guest ID, and ticket guest ID. For the subquery, we have to init to select guest ID from guest, where ticket type is for adult. So this is the last question for our presentation. We have the second question of subquery, which is display a room number, type, and price with price higher or equal to average room price. This is the command and the output that we get from this question. The command is select room number, room type, room price from room. Why we only choose room? Because these three attributes are from one table, where room price is higher or equal to select average room price from room. So the next slide, we're gonna show you how do we get this answer or this output. So with that, we have ended our presentation session. But before that, I'm gonna give you guys the conclusion that we get from this group project. So the conclusion that we get is the database that we have designed and implement are to help Lotus Desaru Beach Resort and Spa Management become more effective and efficient. So with our system, the hotel data can be stored in more systematic way. Our proposed system enables the hotel management to keep all the data in proper database for future use. So the database design that we have used can improve the efficiency of the company service for customers. The more efficient the company service, the more customer that will come to the hotel. This can lead to high volume upcoming customer. The database is also very beneficial for the hotel. It is more manageable, and neater. At the completion of this database project, we have fully achieved the objective and overcome all the problems that occur in Lotus Desaru Beach Resort and Spa old system. Thank you.